Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're taking a look at a little asset in the asset store called Tailed Fox Girl. Now, this one I think is perfect, I'd say mainly for mobile games. It even says it right there in the description of the asset. One of the main reasons is simply because it's a nice low file size. It is only 2 megabytes, which by any standard is really small these days, even on a slow connection. So in the package, we do get a demo scene, which I do like. It does appear to be on the floor. The plane is just missing a text, a material, I should say, but that doesn't really matter too much at all. It's just, I guess we can put a material on there if we wanted to actually create one. It's up to you. So anyway, yes, the overall quality of it is, it's not exactly the best, but you have to keep in mind that this sort of asset is designed more for mobile games, and it's a really good asset to prototype perhaps an enemy or even a playable character. So you can see the quality isn't fantastic. It's obviously not AAA quality, but then again, AAA quality assets aren't free. So this is something good to play around with. Quantity wise, you get what you see. You get the demo scene, you get the mesh, you get a couple of animations, there's the prefab and the texture. Now obviously you could mess around with the texture if you wanted to. I guess it just depends how customizable you want to make this asset. So for example, just as always, play around with the actual material, see what you can come up with, try a couple of things out, see what you need to do. It's endless what you could do. Just a quick little change there gives that a slightly different kind of look and feel. Again, as always, it's always good to change and modify these assets that you get, even if it's just a learning thing. So versatility, yes, I think most assets always come down to that. Folds are neatly laid out, which is always good, easy to find things. Let's press play and take a quick look at the actual character in the game view. So I noticed no animations. There we go. The animations weren't going to play there. I think it was just my Unity holding up. So the animations are quite decent. I think they look fairly good on here. So you can see how this will be used as, well, anything within a fantasy style game. I think it's definitely worthwhile for that. Price is free as of recording this. Don't forget, assets change price all the time, so it may not be free when you play it. It might be, but I think this is more likely going to stay free. It's a nice asset for free anyway. Usefulness, obviously, prototyping, mobile gaming. Yep, it's going to be useful for them. And in the way of extras, not really anything at all. You can't really count the animations as extras because it does say it comes with animations in the actual asset package page. So, as you guys know, I don't rate assets. I either recommend them or I don't. I wouldn't recommend this asset to all people, but I would recommend it overall. So obviously for higher quality, well-educated developers, people who want to go for AAA quality, this asset is not for you. You may find something useful in it, but it really isn't for you. For newbies out there, new people to Unity, or people who want to just try and make the first game, or someone who wants to make something for a mobile device, yeah, I'd say you could probably get something useful out of this, even if it's just a temporary asset or a placeholder, something like that. Yeah, I think you might. It's just about recommendable, so give it a try if you want to. So guys, have you used this asset? If you have, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Give a thumbs up if you didn't like it. Sorry, thumbs up if you liked it. Don't give a thumbs up if you didn't like it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and give a thumbs up if you did like it. But, I know there are flaws with this asset. You don't need to point them out as such. But, yeah, have you used it? What do you think of it? If you've got something on the asset store as well, let me know in the comments. Link me to it because I'd love to check it out and possibly review it in one of these review videos. And don't forget, click subscribe, click the bell icon as well. You can stay up to date with everything I've got on video game development on my channel. Guys, thank you very much for watching.